Let's break down the economic calendar Monday to Friday. I'm going to give you guys all my protocols based on the news events that are going to be released in this week. Monday is orange folder. The Monday of non-farm payroll week is typically good price action. I personally enjoy trading this day, so it's going to be a regular trading protocol. Don't have to do anything specific or fancy on Monday. Just look for a trade setup following the rules. Tuesday, we have orange folder at 10 a.m., JOLTS job openings and consumer confidence. What I like to do on 10 a.m. news days is if I don't find a setup in the first 5 to 10 minutes that's A+ only, then I just wait to trade after news. I'm only taking A+ setups before the 10 a.m. news, and as we get closer and closer to 10 a.m., I'm more and more hesitant on what trade I take because I know there's a good chance the market can stay consolidated until 10 a.m. news drops. Same thing on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we have PMI at 10 a.m. and manufacturing prices at 10 a.m. So same exact scenario. We look for an A+ setup early. If we don't get it or we get a little bit skeptical on the setup that forms, just wait until after news. You cannot go wrong with waiting until after 10 a.m. news. Thursday is a no trade day. Why? Because Friday is non-farm payroll. Therefore, Thursday is the day before non-farm payroll. I personally do not like to trade this day. Now, if I was going to trade this day, I would only execute an A+ setup. I would not take anything else, only A+, and that's simply how I would go about it. But like I said, me personally, I don't even bother trade it. I just sleep in or just watch price action after. On Friday, we have Big Dog NFP. This is a special protocol day. What does that mean? I'm going to tell you guys right now. On special protocol days where there's high impact news like NFP, I like to look for setups that offer higher risk to reward. And I also like to risk less originally on the setup. So if I normally risk, say, $200, maybe I'll only risk $100 to start the trade and then look to add that $200 risk later on. Why? Because non-farm payroll tends to be really volatile. Sometimes you get a lot of manipulation legs, a lot of wicks, and I don't want to lose trades within seconds after entering, especially when I know I have a high probability narrative. We also have 10 a.m. red folder on this day, so same exact concept. If you get an A+ setup before, you can take it. If not, I like to wait till after 10 a.m. personally, and that's my game plan for the week. I hope you guys learned something. Till next time, peace.